welcome back, nail queens. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and manicure using this new kit from Maniology. This is called Santa's Workshop, and it is their new Christmas starter kit. It comes with one stamping plate with all these gorgeous little cute designs, perfect for Christmas and the winter season. And then it comes with two stamping polishes. You have a reddish pink one and a silver one. Their names are Fleece and Quasar. And then you're going to have this themed cube stamper. It's a very wintry theme. It matches the Santa's Workshop box. And you're going to have a matching scraper card as well in the same exact design to go with everything. So I want to let you guys know that there is a giveaway sponsored by Maniology. I will have all of the official information listed in the description box below at the very top. So be sure to check that out if you want to enter the giveaway. I'm also going to be using some other products. This is their Essentials bundle. This I purchased. They didn't send this to me. They did send me the Santa's Workshop though. So I'm unboxing this because I needed a new black, a new white, and a smudge free top coat to use for today's video. And these are my favorite products to use from Maniology. I also have my nails dipped and ready to go. Since I'm using dip powder and I'm stamping on top of them, I need to use this sticky base coat on 3 of these nails. This ensures that the stamping designs will stick really well to the dip powder. If I was stamping over nail polish, I wouldn't need to apply this, but since dip powder is pretty dry, I need a sticky surface for the stamping designs to stick to it, and that's why I'm using this product. So I'm going to let this air dry. It's going to have a tacky surface when it's dry. I don't let it dry for too long, like 3 minutes is perfect. I'm going to take the BAM white stamping polish and put it over this design here. I'm doing this in white because I have red on my nails and I want to do like a candy cane design on my pinky red nail. So I stamped it. I'm going to clean up the edges with this lint roller right here. You can use Scotch tape if you don't have a lint roller. And then I'm going to stamp this on my pinky nail right here. It's okay if anything gets on my skin because I will clean that up later on. Then I'm taking the straight up black that came in that Essentials kit and I'm just doing this small little design right here. I'm not doing the whole entire image and you'll see why in a second. Then I'm going to take my lint roller and clean off any excess design that got on my stamper. There you go. Then I'm going to take the red polish that came in this bundle and put a little bit on my plate, and then with a dotting tool I'm going to fill in the little berries right here with that red with the dotting tool. You want to make sure that when you do this that you are doing a light touch. You're not really dragging on the design that's already outlined in black because you can smudge it and mess it up. So I'm trying to be very gentle with my dotting tool, and you don't want to do this with polish that's already drying really dry on that plate. Now I'm taking this greeny pine color that I have called Tree of Life. I've had this for quite a while and I'm putting that on my plate right here because I'm going to fill in the leaves with the other end of my dotting tool. It's a finer point. And if you're new here, the technique that I'm using to do this, there's an actual technique to this. It's called reverse stamping, where you stamp the outline and then you fill in the outline with color, like if you were painting or coloring in a coloring book. It's called reverse stamping. So I'm going to let this dry for a couple of minutes, and when the polish is dry, I'll stamp it. While that is drying, I have to use a different stamper because I have multiple. So this one is the Monacle Stamper from Maniology. It's one of my favorite stampers from them. So I'm going to use this while that other one is drying. I'm going to be stamping this full image on my nude nails. So I put a good amount of BAM white on the design, scrape it, and I'm going to pick it up and clean off any excess that's around the edges and then stamp that onto my index finger. To clean up, I'm using this brush right here and dipping it in 100% pure acetone and then just removing the polish from around my skin. The index finger was quite easy to do. The one on my pinky nail required a little bit of extra effort because there was a lot of white polish on my nails. but with a little bit of elbow grease, it will come off in time. So while the other design is still drying, I'm going to take the smudge-free top coat that came in the Essentials kit, and I'm going to top coat the 2 designs that I have right here that are already dry. So I'm applying it liberally to the top of these designs, and then I let that air dry. Now that the design is dry, I'm going to flip it over and stamp it at the cuticle area of this nude nail on my ring finger, and I'm going to top coat this as well with the same smudge-free top coat and let that completely air dry. So while I apply that top coat, I just want to remind you guys that the giveaway information is linked in the description box below, and don't worry, it's not just one person who can win. Maniology's giveaway is giving away 100 of the Santa's Workshop nail stamping starter kits. If you want to enter for a chance to win, just follow the link in the description box. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Good luck to everyone who enters the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!